What's up, what's up, what's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel, rocking my new style. Y'all, I just rose up to shine a little bit today, but honey, the reason why I'm rising and shining, starting off, I'm always doing laundry. I'm always doing laundry. Every single freaking day it feels like I'm doing laundry, but the great part about it is really the washing machine and dryer does it for you, but that's all good. But y'all, I'm still loving these amazing laundry detergent sheets from Active. I love them so much. These sheets are super simple to use. Just toss in one with your load and boom, you're done. No measuring, no goop, no plastic bottle to haul around. I love this, y'all. And don't forget, they dissolve completely, even in cold water, and they work perfectly in my high efficiency washer. Not a problem. I was honestly surprised at how fresh everything smelled afterward. It's that clean, light linen scent, not overpowering, just fresh. Y'all check these out on Amazon. But not only that, another thing that we're using from Active, y'all, toilet time. Don't you hate to clean the toilet? What's been helping me out most of all is these Active automatic toilet bowl cleaner tablets. Now, I don't personally put them in there. My husband does. He's so good about this. He loves to do this. I mean, anytime he sees them sitting around and the blue goes away in the toilet, he's got us covered. You just drop one into the toilet tank. Yes, the tank. That's it. No scrubbing, no gloves, no back-breaking effort. And honey, you know we all love a good set it and forget it solution. This is it. These little blue gel tablets dissolve slowly, so they clean with every flush. I noticed my toilet started staying cleaner between deep cleans, which means I don't have to break out the heavy-duty brushes nearly as often. And I love how fresh they are. They're not overpowering, just clean. Oh, and if you were wondering, they are septic safe and don't mess with your plumbing, which was important to me. Y'all, let me carry on with my day. Listen, if you want these items, check them out in the description box. I am an Amazon affiliate. Y'all already know, but y'all know what time it is. I'm going to show you the best of the best that I love using, so you never have to question. Well, after piddling around the house, we all decided to just head outside and enjoy some sunshine. So Mike cleaned off the patio, brought his cooler out, and hey, we just took a little break, because why not? It was such a pleasant evening. So let's just hang out with the folks we love.
Time just slips away, but I won't let another moment go without saying what I need to say. Give love every day, don't wait for a reason. Tell them you care in every season. A hug, a smile, a kind little word. Let your heart be seen and your soul be heard. A treasure that won't fade away. So give love every day. Mama's in the kitchen, humming her favorite tune. Daddy's old story filling up the room. Baby's growing faster than we can believe. So don't hold back, just let your love breathe. Give love every day, don't wait for a reason. Tell them you care in every season. A call, or holding their hand, stand by their side, help them understand. Families alike when skies turn gray, so give love every day. We don't know the hour, we don't know the time, but love leaves a legacy, a sweet holy sign. So say what you feel and mean every line. Love like it's gold, 'cause it truly shines. Give love every day with all of your heart. You never know when the good Lord will start to call us home. But while we're still here, let love be the anthem your family hears. Time's too short to push it away, so give love every day. To my family, you are my everything, so I'll keep giving love every single day.
There's a place that lives in my heart, where the memories never grow old. A little brick house on a quiet street, with a backyard full of gold. Swings that fly like dreams through the sky, laughter echoing in the breeze, doggies barking, chasing butterflies, and the sun dancing through the trees. And Nana and Papa's house, love's always pouring out. Good food on the table, arms wide open, hugs so strong they heal what's broken. Toys in every room, no need to pretend. Every day feels like a weekend. There's magic, joy, and never a doubt you're safe and sound in Nana and Papa's house. Cookies in the oven, juice in my cup, cartoons playing while the grown folks catch up. Papa's grilling with the towel on his shoulder. Nana's smile could melt the coldest winter. Barefoot in the grass, running wild and free. That backyard's bigger than he dreamed to me. A world where love's the only rule, and every scrape gets kissed and cool. And Nana and Papa's house, love's always pouring out. Good food on the table, arms wide open, hugs so strong they heal what's broken. Toys in every room, no need to pretend. Every day feels like a weekend. There's magic, joy, and never a doubt you're safe and sound in Nana and Papa's house. And even when I'm grown and gone, that place will still feel like home, 'cause the love they gave runs deep in me. It's a part of who I'll always be. And Nana and Papa's house, love's still pouring out. The food, the fun, the warm embrace, the never fading sacred place. With doggies running and toys galore, laughter spilling out the door. Oh, there's never ever a dull moment now at Nana and Papa's house. Yeah, that's where love lives out loud. At Nana and Papa's house.